In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad Agent to manage your store. If you want a faster way to get help inside Gumroad, the agent feature can make things much easier. Instead of digging through different sections of your dashboard, you can use the built-in assistant to guide you, answer questions, and help you take action more efficiently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find it and how to start using it right away. To begin, log into your Gumroad dashboard and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that sidebar, click on Agent. This will open the Gumroad Agent area where you can interact with the assistant directly. If you've never used it before, this is the main place you'll return to anytime you need quick guidance or support related to your store. Once you're inside the agent page, you'll usually see a set of suggested commands or prompts. These are there to help you get started without having to think of the perfect question yourself. Go ahead and click one of the suggested commands to ask the agent for help. This is a great option if you want to explore what the tool can do, or if one of the suggestions already matches what you need. It can save time and help you discover useful tasks or answers you may not have thought to ask about on your own. If the suggested options don't fit your situation, you can also enter your own request manually. Look for the chat box and type a question or instruction in your own words. For example, you might ask for help understanding store settings, navigating features, or finding information related to your products and sales. The key here is to be as clear as possible so the agent can give you a more useful response. Short questions can work, but a little extra detail often leads to better results. As you use Gumroad Agent more often, you'll likely find that it becomes a convenient first stop whenever you need support inside your store dashboard. Suggested commands are helpful for quick actions, while the chat box gives you the flexibility to ask for more specific help. If you don't get exactly what you need on the first try, simply rephrase your request and be a bit more specific. That's all it takes to start using Gumroad Agent to manage your store. Open Agent from the left menu, try a suggested command, or type your own question in the chat box to get personalized help.